Hello guys, welcome back to our channel DENN Auto. So in this session we are going to learn about drafting workbench or drawing workbench. Guys, earlier we saw about sketcher and part workbench. So you know that sketcher workbench is a drawing sheet where 2D elements can be drawn, and part design is where you can create 3D elements. But before going to know more about drafting workbench, if you are new to this channel, make sure to like, share and subscribe guys, so you will get each and every updated notification from us. So guys, what is drafting workbench and where drafting workbench is used? Before knowing this, you must have to know about the product life cycle. So I will tell you something. Before manufacturing any product guys, there are some stages from where product have to be passed, and then after it will only send you to the production department for manufacturing or production. So these are the stages guys. First stage is to concept sketch, then styling class A, then feasibility check, then concept validation, then new product design, then development. And after development, the product will send it to the production unit. But it is not possible to carry everywhere 3D drawing. Yes, in some CNC 3D drawing is used for production, mass production, but not everywhere. So in that situation we are using drawing sheets through which we can understand clearly about the product which we want to manufacture or production. So for that we are using drafting workbench to create that drawing sheet of any element or product. So in Catia you can also use drafting workbench. Suppose we have a 3D model here and we need a drawing of that 3D model. So how we can do that? Just simply by using drafting workbench. First we have to go to file, then new, then click on drawing, then OK. And here is the option called standard. Here you can choose standard according to your requirement. Suppose here I am choosing ISO, which is Indian Standard Organization, and in the sheet style you can choose the size of the sheet. Suppose here I am choosing A4 size, and here you can choose the view of the sheet. Either you want in portrait or you want it landscape, then click OK. And this is the interface of the drafting workbench guys, as you can see in the screen. So here lots of commands are there which we are going to know or learn in the upcoming video. For that must visit our channel so that you will understand each and everything about Catia. So guys, here is a command called view, here is a toolbar called view toolbar. In view toolbar there are some options. So first is the front view. Suppose I'm clicking on front view, and then directly go to our 3D model, and here I'm choosing front plane, which is the YZ plane. So you guys can see that orthographic projection of that 3D element is directly replicated to this drawing sheet, and from there we can also give this block dimension. For that there is a command called dimension. When we click on dimension and click on this side and click on this side, we will directly get distance between both of them. So in the earlier, you guys in engineering drawing, you guys are using drafter and a big drawing sheet, and you guys could start drawing. But in the today's era, you can do it in a computer or a CAD software by using drafting workbench. So this is the overview of drafting workbench, guys. I will tell you every command and each and every command in the next upcoming video. Till then, keep learning and keep modeling. Thank you.